Wow, smells sweet. All right, well, they swarmed. They swarmed anyway. So got a new swarm. I just was opening up my greenhouse and I heard bees flying all around, and I turned around and looked, and there it was. So I got a nook ready. I've got some frames ready. I just got to get some blocks right here so I can put my nook down. I'm going to grab these bees and put them in and see what happens. Try to put it right here. Might move y'all back. There we go. Now I was just getting ready to head off property for a couple appointments when I saw this. Luckily, I have some drawn frames and another nook. Wow, smells sweet. Try to get these vines out. You can see. I'm gonna bring y'all in closer. Now we'll see if they go in through here. Once we get it closed up. I'm one of those that's still new. I don't like crushing any of the bees, so I'm trying to. There. Now they're closed up, and we'll watch and see what they do here. Hopefully if the queen's in there, they'll start going in. Still have some on here, but nothing's making a big ball, so I'm just trying to make sure Yep, they're going in. I can see them going in. And this little guy right here is posturing. This one. They have their tail up. They're pointing in. Let's try to drop y'all down again, that you'll see that. All right. So they've gone in. We got a ball, of course, right there. You can see. But look at this one posturing. And these. See if I can zoom in. There we go. See how they got their little tails up? They're pointing towards the opening and fanning. That's indication that the queen is in there, and they're pointing and telling everybody else that that's where she's at. So looks like we have her. And I'm keep them right here for a little bit, and then go put them in my my secondary apiary with the other splits and nooks. All right, so we got that swarm we just caught. We got it in our secondary apiary now. So you can see my my other three that we split just a few days ago. The one we just caught. And you know, I don't know if the video I just posted, the swarm trap that had bees, it could have been scouts from this swarm. I mean, I'm not sure, but it could have been, you know, them looking for a place to take her. But she's in there, and we'll wait and see what happens. All right, that's it for us. Y'all take care.
Did you know we have a small business? Be sure to check out our website at mimiandpoppy'splace.com. Mimi and Poppy's Place, where we understand your skin's story.